Good morning, good morning. It is Monday morning, about to be heading off to work. I had an order over the weekend. Actually, I had two orders over the weekend. I had a medium squirrel that I am doing right now. That'll be done by the time I get home. So I had a small squirrel, which is going to be about as small as this. And then I had a small rhino that came in for one of my orders. But I'm not 100% sure of what I should charge for them. So I have a large, a medium, and a small. Let me know what you guys would charge for the large, medium, and smalls. So I contacted the customer. I let him know that I'm going to be doing a medium squirrel. For the price, I have $24.95 on my website for the medium animals. I'm going to call these guys buddies, articulated buddies. And I think I'm going to be calling the little cuties, I think I'm going to change them to little buddies. I was talking to some of the younger kids in the family, and they like the little buddies a lot better than the little cuties. So let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I already got the rhino printed. I am printing the squirrel. This one is defective. It has a couple layer shifts in it, so I'm not sending that one out. Those two are just product review here. So if anybody wants to see them. And then I had an order for a medium cow, Highland cow, so I'm doing that as well. So that's 3 orders, actually 2 orders, but 3 products altogether. But that's gonna be it for this morning. I gotta head off to work. I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Good afternoon. It is Monday afternoon. I just got out of work. Printed this guy up for the order that I have. I really like the color. How the red's on top. Really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cracked, get a short made on it probably, and get this and that little guy packaged. I'm also gonna throw this in for him. He's a repeat customer, and I always try to give him extra items for the kiddos for him. Very appreciative. So that's gonna be it for the night. I will see you guys tomorrow morning on what I'm printing next. Deuces. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday afternoon. I am finishing up this last print so I can get it shipped out tomorrow to a repeat customer. He ordered the squirrel and a rhino. I may just send this rhino. I'm gonna look and see what the other one looks like when it comes out. I'm gonna see whatever one I think is the best, and then I'm gonna send it out to him. I'm also gonna send him this little Highland cow as well as a gift. I always put a little extra gift in the boxes for whoever's purchasing something, just to show my appreciation. Again, I'm not hurting for money or anything like that. This is just a hobby, and I'm trying to recoup some of the money that I'm using. That's just the truth. I'm not here to lie to you guys. I'm not here to mislead you guys in anything like that. This is just somebody that fell in love with 3D printing and is just trying to recoup a little bit of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up. I gotta get it all weighed real quick, packed up. All of it's on my website if you guys want to purchase any of it or just look at it. Again, redfinprints.com. The link is in the description. Please go check it out. Let me know what you guys think of the website, if you think something should change, whether it's pricing. I'm still trying to fix it. Like I said, my goal for 2026, the beginning of 2026, is to get it up and running 100%. I'm still new at all this, so I don't really know how to design a website that well. I'm doing my best, still working at it. I will greatly appreciate any kind of feedback you guys give me. Like I said, that's with pricing, with how everything is laid out, anything like that. I'm open to anything. If you guys think prices are way too high or way too low, like let me know. I would really appreciate it. I'm not here to take advantage of anybody. I'm not here to screw anybody over. I want to price these things out accordingly to where I can make some kind of profit to recoup some of this money back. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff packed up. I'm going to get it all sent out tomorrow. Again, I'm going to send these two. These two are what the customer purchased, the squirrel. These are the medium-sized squirrel, medium-sized rhino. And then this is the small version of the Highland cow. And oh, let's get you in there. Bear with me. So you got the large version and the small version of the Highland cow. And I have on the website a medium version, which is going to be about the same size as the rhino. So I really like the medium version ones. The large ones, they're okay. Me personally, if I was buying them, I wouldn't buy the large one. I would stick with the medium ones, but that's me personally. Maybe small ones as well for decoration. But I'm not a real big fan of cows, but I did have somebody reach out to me saying that they wanted one. So that young lady did purchase, she purchased a small one. She didn't see that there was different variants. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade her to the medium version. I've already told her that. She's more than happy with that. I'm not making her pay any extra money or anything like that. I don't care. But I'm going to go ahead and print her the medium one. Unfortunately, I do have to wait for more filament. I have some more Zyro filament come in. I've blown through, I don't know how many spools of this, castle brick from Zyro. It is a fast matte gradient PLA filament from Zyro 3D. Again, this brand is absolutely amazing. Absolutely love them. I haven't purchased, I used to always purchase Bambu Labs. You can't beat their prices, all their discounts that they have for Bambu Lab. But again, you can't go wrong with Zyro. I'm 100% happy with everything that they have. I'm not sponsored by them at all. Again, I just came across their brand by somebody on YouTube. I don't know if it was Ryan or if it was somebody else. I can't remember, but I seen somebody use it and I'm like, I want to try that. So I picked me up 3 spools in one of my last vlogs 3 weeks ago, I think. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, I think. I think it was 3 weeks ago. But I fell in love with the filament. I mean, it's absolutely amazing, and I have not been disappointed, and you guys will not either. Thank you guys for the couple people that used the affiliate link below for the Zyro filament. I really appreciate it. I was able to get a roll and a half at no charge because of it. I appreciate it. I don't know if people want their names said in here of who you are. You know who you are. Again, I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think of the filament. If you're disappointed, I apologize, but me personally, I'm not. But I think my new order, I have 6 or 8 rolls coming. I believe so. I don't know. It's been a long day, guys. So that is going to be up for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Again, tonight is Tuesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning when this guy finishes up. So you guys have a wonderful night. Peace. Good afternoon. I'm going to apologize in advance. It is Friday afternoon. I skipped Wednesday and Thursday, New Year's Eve and New Year's. Just very, very busy. But I did have a couple other orders come in. I have a Rhino large size come in. This just got done printing. So these are going to be all the sizes that I have in my shop. You got the small, medium, and this one's going to be large. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. I do have 2 other orders come in. I have a Highland cow, medium size, that is a large. And then I have a medium-sized squirrel that came in. So I'm going to be getting those printed for the weekend and sent out on Monday morning. But I had to wait for more filament. So I do have some more filament. They're all pretty much the same. But I'll be showing you guys that in a minute once I'm done getting this put together. All right, now I'm not gonna lie. I think most of this filament is duplicates of each other, but I think I did get a few other new ones. Yes.
I'm gonna show you mediums.
Which one do I get to eat?
None
They smell really good.
yet. They're Sarah's.
Although you didn't talk to Sarah anymore.
No, she doesn't talk to us anymore.
Is this how you're gonna win her back?
No, I'm not being a complete B-word to her and choosing to ignore her on her birthday. If she does that to me and Bina, I'm not stooping down to her level.
Did I tell you I seen her yesterday?
Yeah, you said you... Well, I don't know if it was yesterday, but you said you waved at her when she was in her car.
Yeah.
And you don't think she saw you?
I don't think she did.
Well, even if she did, I wouldn't be surprised if she didn't bother to wave back.
She meanie.
A little bit. It's like you want a friendship, but you want to be able to give 0% all the time. Nobody wants to be a friend when you're like that.
Correct.
It's really irritating because Mom even admits it. I've always been the one to include everyone on everything we did. Thankfully, your mom always had the money to be able to do it, but I still was included it. Also, Jordan's getting Chipotle for me and him for dinner. I didn't know if you wanted any.
No, I'll make my own food. So this one's gonna be Castle Brick, which is what I've been doing all the squirrels in, the Highland cow in. Another Castle Brick. I want to say I ordered 4 of these. I ordered some more of the pink ones that I did the unicorns in. This one's different. We'll come back to this one. Oh, this is beige. This is what I use for the hooves. Yeah, somebody left a comment and was asking how I colored them. I don't really color them. I just leave them how the file is from the designer, and I make the hooves this beige shell. Yeah, so got another one of those because I'm almost out. Gray layer rock, I use that a lot. That's what I was using for the rhinos, and a couple of the little minis. Another castle brick, so I got 4 castle bricks. Oh no, I got 5 castle bricks. Oh, that's correct. I got 4, and that's a beige. So I got 4 castle bricks, a beige, a gray layer rock, and a pink. And this one is new. I don't know what this one is. Okay. This one is called Sprout. It's got a bunch of yellows, greens, whites in there. But I still have about 3 different ones that I haven't tried yet that I'm gonna try. But I gotta get these orders printed, and then I'll start playing around with, I'll start printing some of these. I'll start playing around with these colors, and I'll bring you guys along on that. But that's pretty much going to be it for today. I'm going to go ahead and get those prints started. I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be Saturday. I am off this weekend, so it's going to be nothing but printing, hanging out, probably taking all the Christmas stuff down. But I hope you guys had a wonderful and safe New Year's and New Year's Eve. Let me know what you guys did. Till the meantime, I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I'm finishing up my last order for the week. Another medium Highland cow. I have this one for one customer and a medium squirrel for another customer. So, like I said, it is Sunday. Have a lot to do today. I'm gonna start taking down Christmas lights, Christmas decorations, and heading over to a family member's house to watch some football again. I do apologize for this week. This is going to be a short vlog. I've been pretty occupied. I got the new MetaQuest 3 VR set, and I've been having a blast with it. Absolutely fun. If you guys want to see that, I'll be glad to show that in next week's video. Just let me know. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this wrapped up. Tomorrow's Monday, so I'm going to get this sent out tomorrow, and then I'm going to get the cow sent out tomorrow as well. The customer did order a set of dragons with this one as well. I don't remember which ones. These are all the ones that I have. As soon as I clean all these up, I'm probably gonna not print them again. They're just gonna be print on demand. And then throughout the week, I'm gonna start working on filling up all the little cuties, and by the end of the month, I should have them on the site. I just have to figure out how to price them. I think I'm going to do them in these eggs right here. But again, going to get these packaged up, get the Highland cow package up. That should be done later on tonight. And that's going to be it for today. That's going to be it for this week. You guys have a wonderful and safe week. I will see you guys in the future. And as always, print on, my friends. Peace.